Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of installing and using the UDP Client VPN application. This VPN is fast, reliable, and comes with multiple servers and protocols for secure browsing without limits. Whether you're new to VPNs or have used them before, this tutorial will walk you through everything clearly and professionally. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice, such as Chrome. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the search results, look for the official UDP Custom website and tap on it. This will take you straight to their homepage. Once you are on the homepage, locate the menu icon at the top. Tap on it, and a list of menu options will appear. From these options, select All Country VPN. This will take you to a page listing different VPNs that you can install. On the VPN list page, search for UDP Client VPN and select it. You will now see the download page. Tap on the Install button to begin downloading the UDP Client VPN. The process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so please be patient while it installs. After installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap on it to launch the UDP Client VPN. When the app launches, it will bring you to the home screen. You might be prompted to allow notifications. This is optional, so you can either allow or deny based on your preference. On the home screen, the application will begin to load servers. Please note that you must have data or an internet connection for the servers to update properly. During this process, the app may restart once automatically, so just wait a few seconds until the servers are ready. Now let's explore the main features. The UDP Client VPN has two primary sections, one for choosing servers and the other for selecting protocols. To choose a server, tap on the Server section. You'll see a list of servers from various locations worldwide. Select any server that suits you. You can always change it later. Next, it's time to select a protocol. On the home screen, tap on the Tweaks button. This will display a list of built-in tweaks and protocols. Simply scroll through the list and choose the one that works best for your connection and needs. Once you've selected both the server and the protocol, return to the home screen. You'll see a large Start button. Tap on it, and the UDP Client VPN will connect you to your chosen server within seconds. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy unlimited, secure browsing with the UDP Client VPN. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more detailed tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.